2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, stability control, backup camera, lane departure warning, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.